Hello guys, in today's session I am going to start a new topic, relations, functions and graph. तो relations, functions and graph सुरु गर्नुभन्दा पहिले कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट अफ टू सेट्स को बारेमा we need to explain. The Cartesian product of two sets A and B denoted by A cross B is defined as A cross B is the set of ordered pair XY such that X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. Let us take some examples. Let A be the set of elements 1 and 2 and B be the set of elements 3 and 4, then form A cross B and B cross A. A cross B is the set of ordered pairs 1 3, ordered pair 1 4, ordered pair 2 3, ordered pair 2 4. B cross A is the set of these ordered pairs. We are using the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 to make these ordered pairs, but A cross B is not equal to B cross A. We can observe it in the graph. So I am going to represent graphically A cross B and B cross A. Ordered pair 1 3 is different from ordered pair 3 1. These are representing 2 points, 2 different points in XY plane. Ordered pair 1 3 means X coordinate 1 and Y coordinate 3. This is the point having X coordinate 1, Y coordinate 3. X coordinate 3 and Y coordinate 1. So this point has coordinates 3 and 1. It has 1 and 3. These are representing 2 different points. One is the element of A cross B. Other is the element of B cross A. Similarly, 1 4. Ordered pair 1 4 is the element of A cross B, and ordered pair 4 1, this is the element of B cross A. Ordered pair 2 3 and ordered pair 3 2, ordered pair 2 4, ordered pair 4 2. This is 1 3, 2 3, 1 4, 2, 4. These are 4 points in A cross B and 3, 1. This point has coordinates 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2. So these 4 points are the elements of B cross A, and these 4 points are elements of A cross B. So what we observe, these are not taking same position in xy plane. So elements of A cross B are different from the elements of B cross A. In general, A cross B is different from B cross A. Let us take another example. Let A be the set of x belonging to R such that x is greater or equal to 1, less or equal to 3. B be the set of real numbers here such that x is greater or equal to 4, less or equal to 5. Means A is the closed interval having left end point 1, right end point 3. B is also the closed interval having left end point 4, right end point 5. These are subsets of the set of all real numbers R. So these are representing points of straight lines. Then what becomes A cross B? By the definition of Cartesian product of two sets, A cross B is the set of ordered pairs xy such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. As x is the element of set A, so the value of x is real numbers which are greater or equal to 1, less or equal to 3. As y is the element of B, so y is also the real number. It is the set of all points which are greater or equal to 4, less or equal to 5. So let's observe its graphical representation. When we draw a line parallel to x-axis, throughout this line, y coordinate remains same, 5. Its equation is y is equal to 5. Your line को equation y is equal to 4. X varies 0.1 by the pass through line y axis को parallel. When we plot ये लाइन छ y axis को parallel, throughout this line x coordinate remains same, x is equal to 1 is the equation of this line. So parallel to y axis, point P को coordinates 1, 4. X coordinate 1, y coordinate 4. Point Q को coordinates 3 4 throughout this line y coordinate will not change यो point मा पनि y coordinate 4 throughout this line x को भेरिएसन हुन्छ p देखि q मा 1 देखि 3 सम्म तर y coordinate remain same तो x को भेरिएसन 1 देखि 3 र y को भ्यालु 4 तो यो लाइन में भएको pq लाइन में भएको all points a क्रॉस b को एलिमेंट हो कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ आर x कोऑर्डिनेट 3 y कोऑर्डिनेट 5 यो लाइन में x कोऑर्डिनेट रिमेन्स 3 and y coordinate varies from 4 to 5 तो y कोऑर्डिनेट को भेरिएसन 4 देखि 5 र x कोऑर्डिनेट यदि x को भ्यालु 3 छ भने यो लाइन में भएको पनि टोटल पोइन्ट्स हो a क्रॉस b को एलिमेंट कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ s x coordinate 1 y coordinate 5 throughout this line y coordinate remains 5 s देखि r सम्म मुभ गर्दा x varies from 1 to 3 त्यसो भए यो लाइन मा भएको पनि सबै पोइन्ट यो अर्डर्ड पेयर a क्रॉस b को एलिमेंट्स हो इंटेरियर पोइन्ट्स मा के हुन्छ इंटेरियर पोइन्ट्स ले पनि 1 भन्दा ग्रेटर 3 भन्दा स्मलर इंटेरियर पॉइंट को कोऑर्डिनेट हुन्छ y कोऑर्डिनेट हुन्छ 4 भन्दा ग्रेटर 5 भन्दा स्मलर त्यसैले यो रेक्टेंगल PQR को इंटेरियर पॉइंट्स सो यो इंटीरियर पॉइंट्स पनि a क्रॉस b के एलिमेंट हो सो शेडेड रीजन रिप्रेजेंट्स shaded region represents a cross b so a cross b A cross B is the set of all points of rectangle PQRS and also its interior points यो बाउंड्री को पॉइंट र भित्र को पॉइंट टोटल पॉइंट्स हो a क्रॉस b को सो यो प्लेन में यो रेक्टेंगल को इंटेरियर पॉइंट्स रेक्टेंगल को पॉइंट्स भनेको बाउंड्री पॉइंट मात्रै होइन भित्र को पॉइंट पनि नभए रेक्टेंगल को पॉइंट मात्रै भन्दा यो बाउंड्री को PQ QR RS र PS हुन्छ इंटेरियर पॉइंट्स पनि a क्रॉस b को पॉइंट हो अब b क्रॉस a यस्तै b क्रॉस a को फिगर बनाउँदा सिमिलरली b क्रॉस a is the set of ordered pairs xy such that x belongs to b and y belongs to set a x belongs to b means elements of b varies from 4 to 5
and elements of A varies from 1 to 3. हामी यो कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्टमा फर्स्ट सेटको एलिमेन्ट एक्स एक्सिसमा, सेकेन्ड सेटको एलिमेन्ट वाई एक्सिसमा, यो सेकेन्ड अर्डर्ड पेयर लेख्दा फर्स्ट एलिमेन्ट हुन्छ एक्स कोअर्डिनेट, सेकेन्ड एलिमेन्ट हुन्छ वाई कोअर्डिनेट। त्यसकारण यो सेटको एलिमेन्ट्सलाई प्लट गर्दा फर्स्ट सेटको एलिमेन्ट एक्स एक्सिसमा र सेकेन्ड सेटको एलिमेन्ट वाई एक्सिसमा प्लट गर्ने गर्छु। अनि यसको ग्राफ कस्तो हुन्छ, बी क्रस ए को set B contains all points which are greater or equal to 4, less or equal to 5. Set A contains all elements which are greater or equal to 1, less or equal to 3. And to represent the elements of the Cartesian product B cross A, likewise earlier graph, draw a straight line through 1 parallel to x axis. Throughout this line, y coordinate remains 1, only the variation will be in x coordinate. Through the point 3, draw a straight line parallel to x axis. So on this line throughout, y coordinate remains 3. And then draw the line, vertical line through the point 4. Coordinates of P 4 1, 5 1, 5 3, 4 3. P1 Q1 R1 S1 रेक्टेंगल को इंटीरियर पॉइंट्स में x कोऑर्डिनेट 4 और 4 बंदा ग्रेटर 5 बंदा स्मॉलर, y coordinate 1 बंदा ग्रेटर 3 बंदा स्मॉलर, x coordinate 4 बंदा ग्रेटर 5 बंदा स्मॉलर, ऑल इंटीरियर पॉइंट्स को हुन्छ कोऑर्डिनेट्स। र बाउंड्री पॉइंट में यो लाइन में y coordinate remains 1, x coordinate varies from 4 to 5. So यो रेक्टेंगल को ऑल पॉइंट्स हो B क्रॉस A को एलिमेंट। त्यो फिगरबाट पनि के देखिन्छ, PQRS रेक्टेंगल र P1 Q1 R1 S1 रेक्टेंगल में भएको पॉइंट्स सेम पॉइंट होइन, डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स हो। सो ग्राफिकली व्हाट वी हैव शोन, these two sets are not equal. Take a problem related to Cartesian product of two sets. Let set A has elements 1 2, B 3 4 and C contains 4 5. Find A cross B union C. Find these 4. With the help of the definition just we have explained about the Cartesian product. First A cross B union C, then A cross B union A cross C, A cross B intersection C, then A cross B intersection A cross C. B union C is the set of elements that belong to B or C at least in one set. And B intersection C is the set of their common element Common element is 1, that is only one element, that is 4. So B intersection C contains the element 4. First find A cross B union C. By the definition of Cartesian product, A cross B union C is the set of ordered pair XY such that X belongs to city and Y belongs to B union C. So while forming the ordered pairs, first element we have to take from set A and second element from B union C. So one element is ordered pair 1, 3. First from set A, second from B union C. 1, 4. 1, 5. Then so these are the ordered pairs, these are the elements of A cross B union C. Then form A cross B. A cross B is the set of ordered pairs XY such that X belongs to set A and Y belongs to set B. Set A co-elements 1, 2, thus set B co-elements 3, 4. So we have to make the ordered pairs by taking these elements first from set A and second from set B. A cross C is the set of ordered pairs, first element from set A, second from set C. Take the union of these two, A cross B union A cross C. A cross B union A cross C contains the elements that belongs to set A cross B, or in A cross C, if at least one of them contains, we can take such elements. So A cross B union A cross C has elements 1, 3, 1, 4, ordered pair 1, 4, ordered pair 1, 5, 2, 3, ordered pair 2, 3, 2, 4 and 2, 5. So in these two sets, the elements are not different, their elements are same. So these two sets are equal. A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. So in this example, what we observe, these two sets have same elements. So these two sets are equal. Now for the third question, find A cross B intersection C. It is the set of those ordered pairs whose first element is taken from set A and second from B intersection C, which has only one element 4. So A cross B intersection C has these two elements ordered pair 1 4 and ordered pair 2 4. A cross B, A cross B has these 4 elements. Take the intersection of these two sets. Intersection of two sets contains the common elements of both sets. So what are the common elements? Ordered pair 1 4, ordered pair 2 4, remaining elements are different in these two sets. So these are two elements, ordered pair 1 4 and 2 4 in the intersection of A cross B and A cross C. So these two sets have been shown equal when their elements are taken like this. But this is not the proof, only verification of the relation. It has been shown only for these three sets. But it is also true whatever the elements in these three sets have been taken. For the proof, we can prove this theory like this. If this is the question, prove that A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C, then त्यो अघिल्लो इक्जाम्पलबाट प्रुफ हुँदैन, ओन्ली भेरिफिकेसन हुन्छ. तर यसको प्रुफ गर्नको लागि वी हैव टू टेक जनरल एलिमेंट, व्हाट एवर बी द एलिमेंट्स इन ए बी एंड सी, इफ दिस रिलेशन इज पॉसिबल टू शो. A cross B union C is a set of ordered pair xy such that x belongs to set A and y belongs to B union C. It is by the definition of Cartesian product of two sets. Is equal to the set of ordered pair xy such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B or y belongs to C. Y belongs to at least one of the sets B or C. So set of ordered pair xy such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B again we can write x belongs to A and y belongs to C. Set of ordered pair xy such that ordered pair xy belongs to A cross B or ordered pair xy belongs to A cross C. So xy belongs to A cross B or A cross C means it is the element of their union. by the definition of union of two sets. In same procedure, another relation for the intersection is possible to prove. Right, next question. Prove that A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. In the earlier example, we have shown these two sets have same elements. So these are equal for not only that set, it is also possible to say proof for any elements of set A, B and C. So proof गर्दा set builder form को use गरेर यस्तै proof गर्न सकिन्छ. A cross B intersection C is the set of ordered pair XY such that X belongs to A and Y belongs to B intersection C by the definition of Cartesian product of two sets. It is the set of ordered pair XY such that X belongs to A and Y belongs to B and Y belongs to C, as Y is the element of intersection of B and C. So it is the element of both sets. X belongs to A and Y belongs to B and X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. So XY ordered pair XY is the element of common element of A cross B and also A cross C. So the set of such all common elements ordered pairs is the intersection of these two, and this is what we have to prove. तो अहिले just proof गरेको सेट को graphical representation is also possible. Let three sets A, B and C are subsets of the set of all real numbers. For graphical representation, suppose A is the set of all points of this line segment B is the set of all these elements of the vertical line above this point and below this point. Set C contains this part of the line, then form A cross B union C. First में B union C को लागि B देखि यो पार्ट को टोटल एलिमेंट हो B union C को एउटा horizontal line draw गर्छु and then the vertical line. यो रेक्टेंगल ले के रिप्रेजेंट गर्छ A क्रॉस B युनियन C. A क्रॉस B युनियन C को पार्टलाई यसमा भएको सबै अर्डर्ड पेयर्स को फर्स्ट एलिमेंट हुन्छ सेट A को फर्स्ट एलिमेंट भनेको x कोअर्डिनेट र सेकेन्ड एलिमेंट हुन्छ B युनियन C को. अब सेपरेटली ए क्रस बी र ए क्रस सी गरेर चेक गर्छौ, त्यसले रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्ने पार्ट र यसले रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्ने पार्ट ए क्रस बी युनियन सी को सेम हो कि डिफरेन्ट हो। The elements of B are all points of this part of a straight line and elements of C are all points of this line segment. First form A cross B. So B सेट को पार्टलाई पार्टबाट होरिजेन्टल लाइन ड्र गर्छु। किन होरिजेन्टल लाइन बनाउँदैछु? मैले त्यो पार्ट निकाल्न खोजिरहेछु जुन पार्टको एलिमेन्ट्स फर्स्ट एलिमेन्ट हुन्छ सेट ए को र सेकेन्ड एलिमेन्ट सेट बी को। अब यहाँबाट भर्टिकल लाइन सेट ए को पार्टबाट सो यो रेक्टेंगलमा भएको अल अर्डर्ड पेयर्स को फर्स्ट एलिमेन्ट हो सेट ए को, सेकेन्ड एलिमेन्ट हो सेट बी को, त्यसैले यसले रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्ने हो ए क्रस बी। अब ए क्रस सी को लागि सी को पार्ट को होरिजेन्टल लाइन ड्र गरे। यहाँदेखि यहाँसम्मको पार्ट छ सी, ए को पार्ट अलरेडी भर्टिकल लाइन ड्र गरिसकेछु। सो ए क्रस सी ले रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्ने यो पार्ट हो। यो पार्ट को सबै पोइन्ट अर्डर्ड पेयर्स ए क्रस सी को एलिमेन्ट हो। अब यो दुवै पार्ट को युनियन गर्ने हो। युनियन गर्नु भनेको के हो? ए क्रस बी मा भएको अर्डर्ड पेयर्स पनि त्यो सेटमा लिन सकिन्छ, ए क्रस सी मा भएको पनि र दुवैमा भएको पनि। यसरी रिप्रेजेन्ट गरेको यो रेक्टेंगल को पार्ट को एलिमेन्ट्स र यो रेक्टेंगल को एलिमेन्ट्स सेम छ, सेम पार्टलाई रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्दैछ। सो दिस इज ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेन्टेसन अफ ए क्रस बी युनियन सी इज इक्वल टू ए क्रस बी युनियन ए क्रस सी। त्यस्तै इन्टरसेक्सन को ए क्रस बी इन्टरसेक्सन सी रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्नु पर्दा बी र सी को कॉमन पार्ट, बी र सी को कॉमन पार्ट यो पार्ट छ बी र सी को कॉमन। यो कॉमन पार्ट भएर होरिजेन्टल लाइन ड्र गर्दैछु। यसबाट पनि एउटा रेक्टेंगल बन्छ। ए क्रस बी इंटरसेक्शन सी को एलिमेंट्स हो। अब यहाँ पनि बी इंटरसेक्शन सी डट र क्रस दुवै पार्ट भएको रेक्टेंगल दुवै पार्ट भएको रेक्टेंगल this is the intersection of A cross B, A cross B र A cross C को इंटरसेक्शन हो यो साइडेड पार्ट। So in this two figure what we observe A cross B intersection C and A cross B intersection A cross C are representing same part, same sector in the graph. So graphically these two have been shown equal. So first थियो verification by taking elements, second थियो proof. यो ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेन्टेसन हो, यसलाई कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट को ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेन्टेसन यो प्रब्लम को लागि युज गरेछु। त यसरी रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्न सकिन्छ। जुनसुकै सेट सँग रिलेटेड क्वेशन को लागि यस्तो फिगरबाट रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्न सक्छ। यदि त्यो रिलेसन करेक्ट हो भने त्यसलाई रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्ने सेक्टरमा कुनै फरक हुँदैन, सेम सेक्टर देखाउँछ।
For your queries, you may contact me in Messenger. We will meet again in the next video. Thank you.